You how to make a tulip. This is a simple tulip. In India, it only grows in Kashmir and very cold places, but Dolon loves this flower. Now, it's very important when you're using clay like this to keep it moist. So, Dolon, can you just show how you keep it moist continuously? So, bits of water is just dabbed onto the clay, and then when you're getting the clay ready to make the object that you're going to, you have to kind of continuously use a bit of water, then roll it like dough, cut a little bit out, because see here there are several petals. So she's taking little bits which will become a petal. There are 4 petals, she's kept 4 pieces. So this is how the petals are getting ready. They just become flat. With the pressure of the palm. You can see how she's rolling it gently, ekটু slow karo. So see the formation. Okay, and then the next, and the next, and the next. Now once this formation has taken place, you just pinch it into the shape that looks aesthetic to you. And if you like, at this point you can attach the stem. See, so that it has a stem with which you can further use it for decoration. And now this has to dry, and then you have your tulip ready. Okay.